is Carter, and this is how you make a grippy with a balloon or a broken part of balloon. So first, you make a hole right in the middle. It may take a while to actually get it through. Next, take one of the sides and flip it like this. Now take both these parts and flip it. It's very hard.
Mm-hmm. Were you doing it on the floor before?
I'm not sure.
Oh gosh. Oh God, he's putting big dings into our table.
That's all right. And you end up with something like this. Now show us how that works. Whoops. We're getting all blurry, guys.
So, it's because you take the balloon and...
You keep doing that.
Yeah, and when it gets smaller, it,
It ends up looking like that one.
yeah, if you can do it, maybe you're stronger, but... And I'm also 6 years old.
You're 6 years old.
I'm trying to make it better. There's also another way where you just take 2 from each side. I'm not sure if that works, or 1 from each side.
This is just a large balloon, that's the problem.
Well, show us that one, the one you already made. And put it on this pencil. Now, why would a kid want to make one of these?
Because some kids really like grippies.
And why do they like grippies?
Because when their fingers get tired, it makes them
Show us how it works on the paper. Whoa, nice handwriting. You forgot how to write your name?
No.
No?
Made a mistake.
Almost did? Now draw us a picture. Maybe the kite picture you've been practicing.
No, that's a little too hard for me still.
Well, you could still try it.
I'm making a better example like a person.
Okay.
And this is the basic person.
Oh, not stick figures, huh? Ooh, cool.
What's it called? Dress-up area?
Did you take everything out of the
What? Just because I made a little mistake in my writing. Not because of the question. I think some people might know that.
How's the grippy helping? Is it helping you out?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what happened?
That's the basic person with the grippy.
Very cool. Let me see a close-up of the grippy one more time. Put it right in your, yep, right there.
And the hair, no one really likes making hair. But I just want to show you. Usually hair is scribble, so.
Oh, now Carter's using the grippy to draw upside down. Look at him go. Okay. Thanks for watching our grippy show. You have anything else you want to say to the audience?
If this doesn't work for you, just leave some comments about how you think it might work or a different way. Bye.